Okay, Joe. So tell me what's the next state in the plan here? Tell me what we got going here.
Oh, I finished up the welding on the bottom. From the braces that I couldn't.
You couldn't.
It'd come out a lot better welding, obviously downwards and upside down.
Yeah. Yeah. So try to get it from the other side up. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna finish up all the welding on that, and then.
So when you say fill up the welding, you're gonna basically, it's like, I see how you already started doing all this stuff here. So when a person seam seals a car, what does that all entail? What do you mean by seam sealing? Does that mean just like that's all one piece? But where does this caulking stuff go at that people talk about seam sealing?
Oh, normally it just goes where the new panels are.
Oh, where it butts all together.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that like the front line. Stuff like
the seam here where these two panels went together. Yeah, and any gap, like I said, any gap that two panels went together.
Oh, okay. That's seam sealing. Okay, yeah, that's what I pretty much thought it was. But for people who may see this, and they'll be asking, "What do you mean by seam sealing?" So it's kind of like a / educational video at the same time.
Like this one, how there's a gap there.
Yeah.
What I usually do is I get them as close as I can. I'll hammer and dolly them together. So there's not.
And then you run the seal stuff over it. So the seal stuff prevents water and moisture from getting in those type of areas. Yeah. That will start to rust, as we saw. This car was completely rusted when we started off with it. Yeah, it was no car after after a while. And like I have my other car, it's not as bad as this, but it's gonna take rebuilding some inner walls here, and I got the floor pans for it. I got the floor pans. I got the braces for the other car.
It's not a one piece?
I got it in several pieces. I got it in two pieces.
Two pieces or three pieces?
It's two pieces. I bought 1, 2, 3. I bought the 3 pieces of it.
Oh that's
And then I bought the these are already bought. And I think this one's bought. I think I need just to get this one right here.
Okay.
And it needed some quarter panel work and stuff. So I've been debating whether I want to quit or I want to continue going, but we'll see when this car is over with how I feel about the other car.
Oh, okay.
But I've been like, this stuff is draining, and this car has pushed me to where I've never been on a car. So for my previous projects, I've never had to go this deep. But once I was in, I was in. So it was like, you got to keep on going, player. See this to the final frontier. And I appreciate the work you've been doing for me, and I'm seeing the results, and I'm just like, damn, this is nice. This is a lot of stuff here, but this is going to be, I've seen how the blue car and other cars you've worked on turned out. So I'm like, okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. I see what's going on. I got you. Yep. And, my goal has always been to not slow you down. I know you got other projects you're working on, but I say, hey, whenever he said, Rob, I need this, I've showed up with it.
Oh, yeah.
Or I've had it ahead of time.
Yeah.
I'm like, here's the goal. If you're working, getting dirty, hey, I'm got some stuff to keep you going, because
that helps out too, so we're not waiting around.
Yeah, it helps. Yeah. When you're waiting for parts to come, things will throw you off your work rhythm. You're like, okay, well, I'm gonna do something else. Now the parts come back, and the customer or person may be complaining, oh, you ain't give me all the stuff.
Yeah.
How can I continue working if you ain't gave me everything?
You've seen how dealing with people and helping them do little stuff with their car here and there, how that ends up.
Yeah, how it ends up. It ends up wild. Yeah. Okay, so this being December 12th, we've been at this car almost a year now. Yeah, we bought this car in November of last year. It's been a year. Yeah, I looked on my time thing. It's been a year this car's been here. And boy, it's came a while.
Yeah.
A ways. Fast.
Wow. I'm sure you've been a year?
It's been a year, I'm pretty sure. I looked it up on my phone.
Oh, shit.
It's been a year. It's been November of last year. Yeah, November of last year, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it was cold then, yeah.